Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and transfer your OKX to your bank account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now let's go ahead and open up our OKX application right here, and inside you will be able to see this menu at the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it, and this additional menu will show up. You want to go ahead and browse through the manage assets right here, and just below that you will have the P2P trading. This basically means person to person. This is basically us trading our assets for some real money, or vice versa, we are buying some assets for some real money. And since we are trading our OKX balance to our bank account right here, we want to go ahead and sell some assets. So just go ahead and click on sell right here, and right below that you have your USDT. If you want to go ahead and sell different kind of assets, just go ahead and click on the arrow, and you have options like USDC, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. In our case, we're just gonna go ahead and click on the USDT right here. You have your amount. You could just go ahead and put whatever you want to. And lastly, for the payment methods, this is everything that they have right here. You could just go ahead and choose which payment method do you want to get. And right below that, you have your merchants. For example, you have the name of the merchant right here, and he has over 121 transactions, over 69% completion. And if we go ahead and navigate through the second one, we have 8.6 thousand transactions and over 99% completion. So you want to go ahead and choose someone like this person right here, or this merchant. You could also go ahead and see the selling price, which is 56.29 Philippine peso. And if you want to go ahead and sell your USDT, you can just go ahead and proceed by clicking one of the merchants right here. But currently, as of right now, I can't go ahead and verify my identity to the OKX application due to server issues. So basically what will happen here is that the merchant will go ahead and get a notification from the OKX application, and they will go ahead and send the assets or the fiat currency to you. In that case, you will then go ahead and get the notifications that they have already sent the fiat or the assets to your account, in which case you will be sending them your assets or your fiat currency. So there will be a trade right here that the OKX application will go ahead and manage. And after that, there you go, you have managed to transfer your OKX balance to your bank account. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and as always, I thank you.